Welcome to the Kippy integration demo. So first, a bit of background. Let's take this scenario where, as a business leader, I want live and accurate views of corporate performance so that I can easily plan, track, and adapt my strategy appropriately. However, many business leaders struggle to plan and execute their strategy. The key reasons include the time and capacity constraints, low employee engagement, inappropriate tooling, and high cost. This makes it harder for organizations to grow, adapt, improve, and become more efficient. Kippy helps solve this problem by helping you easily track your KPIs and projects against the strategic corporate objectives and forecasted goals. In this demo, we will see how information can be automatically pulled from your systems into your Kippy instance, giving you live views of corporate performance. So let's take an example use case. As a KPI owner for production capacity, when capacity is updated in the ERP system, I want the updated capacity to be automatically reflected in Kippy. This is so that I don't have to duplicate data entry in the ERP system in Kippy and avoid any delays leading to bad decision making. So let's imagine the corporate strategy has two key objectives: to increase sales and increase the production volume. Each of those objectives have two KPIs, but this KPI specifically, increase the production capacity, has its metric mastered in the ERP system. And what we're going to see is a project manager will update the ERP system with the new production capacity. That new value will automatically be sent to Kippy. Kippy will update the appropriate KPI with that new actual and recalculate all the scores against the predefined targets. And then Kippy users, including business leaders, will be able to come into Kippy and see live and accurate views of the latest corporate performance. So as a technical overview, what we're going to do here is connect a Kippy instance with an ERP system, in this case Wrike. Strategy managers will log into the Kippy instance to see the performance. Project managers will be pushing new values into the ERP system. And after some initial configuration by the system owner, the two systems will be connected and be able to communicate with each other so that any new values in Wrike are pushed to Kippy. So let's jump into a demo. And here you can see we've got a Kippy instance set up with the two corporate objectives we mentioned and the 4 KPIs. These 3 KPIs are owned by the logged in user and they can be updated manually. However, this 4th KPI to increase the production capacity is owned by a different user and is in fact configured to be updated automatically whenever the ERP system is updated. So currently it's 59, but we're going to go to the ERP system, in this case Wrike, and we're going to update the metric here from 59 to 40. What happens next is the information is pushed from Wrike into Kippy. Kippy gets the new value and updates the scores appropriately. As you can see, this was a very important KPI, and so the score is reflected appropriately for the team. And every time the capacity was updated in Wrike, it would be updated for the current period against this KPI. The way the two systems were configured to connect to each other was simply by going to the settings screen in Kippy. So a system administrator would enter the connection details and shared secret that's available within Wrike in the configuration screen. And this is a very common way for any system to allow Kippy to connect to it securely with these shared and trusted secrets. So this is just one example of how Kippy can connect to your internal systems. There are many other mechanisms and adapters. Please get in touch for more details. Thank you.